morning guys, today we are having a beach day and it's wonderful and beautiful and just really good. It's really good. Guys, so not much happened yesterday, but today's a really exciting day. We're going to Loaf and maybe even to see Bryce Redeemer, This view will cost you £8, but considering that it's one of the best views of Rio de Janeiro you can get, it's pretty damn good.
Ah oui, d'accord.
So you can walk here through this little jungle, I guess. It's pretty cool and there's a lot of wildlife. These tinsy wincy little monkeys are here and they're so adorable. So I'm about to try acai, which I've been mispronouncing as acai for a really long time, and it comes in these bowls and I'm really excited. So unfortunately I didn't like the acai. They're both very sad. I actually can't believe it. It's one of the only things that's super vegan here and I don't like it. It's edible, but... So today has been beautiful, as always, to be honest, as every day here. Brazil is just a really beautiful place, and tomorrow we've got more insane views from Christ, and I cannot wait. It's going to be really, really cool. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Good morning guys, so today we are on the way to the museums, the Museum of Art and the Museum of Tomorrow.